HalferLand videos.
Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to HalferLand Performance videos. It has been a while, man, and I apologize for that. Things have been going great. I hope everyone's doing well with COVID, first off. I know things have been a struggle for some people. It definitely has been here. Getting acquainted with the new situation, basically, with life. But anyways, got some cool stuff to go over with you guys. First, the bad thing, Bertha is down at the moment. She had a clutch throwout bearing go out. It started squealing like a rabid pig, just like that, and I'm like, what the hell? So it's coming from the transmission. I already know what it is. It's the clutch throwout bearing. And if you recall, when building it, we put in a spec 3+ clutch, which is rated to about 680 foot-pounds of torque. So plenty, it should hold the power plenty. We're only pushing about 600 to the wheels, or 600 horsepower right now. I think it was like 550, 560 to the wheels. Which is fine, because these transmissions, as you know, they're like the K-Series. Really, they go out around 600 horsepower. So we already ate third gear twice, and that's not something I wanted to do right now until we can get stronger gears. So I capped her at 600. But anyways, the throwout bearing is going crazy. It's making all kinds of noise, and it doesn't want to go in gear now. So I'm gonna end up pulling the motor, just because the whole setup, the whole turbo setup right now, like I said, right around 600 horsepower. The whole turbo setup has about 20 to 25,000 miles on it. So it's been running great, guys. And thus far, this is the only issue we've had on the J35 setup. And it's a clutch issue. So hopefully I can just pull everything out. And the reason I'm pulling the motor out is because I want to inspect everything. It just gives me a good chance to go over everything, and also that it makes it way easier to get to the transmission. So not sure how much of that I'm going to show you guys, because we've already gone over pulling a motor quite a bit, but I'll give you guys a few tips along the way. Some other super exciting news, guys, is we are actually going over, or actually right now I'm headed over to see Kyle at the BoostedBoiz shop here in Florida. I don't know if you guys follow any other channels on YouTube, but if you don't, BoostedBoiz is I think they're close to 1 million subscribers right now. They're a really big car channel, and they do a lot of Honda stuff. And Kyle from BoostedBoiz reached out to me, and he wanted to team up on some parts. So we have some parts that we're going to offer him, and that he wants to run on his 240, his drift car setup. So we're gonna get him over a couple of parts that we carry: the Track Tough oil relocation kit, our Dash 10 orb fittings. Got him a couple shirts, some stickers. So that's where we're going now, and I'll catch up with you guys when we get there. And as always, guys, I want to say thank you so much to our supporters and fans, and of course our Patreons. Thank you guys so much for your support and your continued orders. You guys have been supporting us in this the time of need right now in COVID, and cannot thank you guys enough. So if you want to find any of our parts, you can go to our main website, which is HondaJSeriesEngine.com. And once again, it's HondaJSeriesEngine.com. And then click on the store tab. If you want to support us at Patreon, it's patreon.com/HalferLand Performance. And that will also earn you discounts towards any of your orders after 4 consecutive months of subscription. Or if you simply want to just support us, Patreon is a great way to do that. We do have a lot of cool, great new parts that are coming out for the J-Series platform, such as our supercharger kit. We ran a little low on our budget for the supercharger kit, so we had to put that on the back burner. But with awesome customers and supporters like you guys, even if you donate $5-10 to our Patreon account, that will help a lot and go a long way in our R&D project with the supercharger. So hopefully within the next couple months we can get that back going again, because like I said, right now it is on the back burner just due to the budget constraints that we had. We had to put it on the back burner, and right now we're just concentrating on all of our stock parts, port and polish, you know, our block guards, 1,000 horsepower rods, pistons, all that good stuff. But anyways, guys, all right, let's get going. All right, guys, we made it over to Kyle and BoostedBoiz place. Cool little setup you got here. This is the red MR2. Got my bike. Not sure whose Civic is this. Oh, you know what? I think this is the one they gave him. PFI Speed, or what's his face. So let's go over here. Check out his 240 right now. I forgot your name. What was your name again?
Wyatt.
Wyatt. There you go, Wyatt. Sorry, man. So what were you doing with the 240, brother?
Trying to get it run, hopefully by this weekend. So we got a lot to do. This is definitely
Cletus and cars, right?
Yeah, trying to put it in the burnout contest is the goal. But this will definitely help us out a whole bunch, because our issue right now is the steering rack that we got installed on there. It's right in the way of that oil filter on the stock housing. So this will, you know, take place of that.
Exactly.
This piece you guys have is awesome. So yeah, that will help us relocate the oil filter, so we can take care of that and just keep on moving from there. But we definitely have a lot to get knocked out in like
You do, man.
days.
Is this the list right here?
Yeah, that's our cardboard list right there.
That's like the mechanic's go-to list right there on a cardboard. Just write everything on there.
Yep.
So if you guys remember with my Accord when I was building it and doing the custom turbo kit, one of the main issues was the oiling system. The lines coming off the block, or for the oil adapter kit, wasn't possible. I plumbed it like 4 or 5 different ways and just could not get it to go. Ended up breaking one of those oil lines, drained all the oil out. I don't know if you guys remember that. You can go back a few videos. But all right, I'm gonna catch up with Kyle here and look at his car and some other stuff. And all right, so we got the Kyle's 240 drift car here. Like I said, we already dropped off our oil adapter bracket, because obviously right here he's having an issue with clearance for the steering rack. So obviously the oil adapter kit just slaps on there and he can run -10 lines right off of it, or whatever he wants. Gives him way more flexibility. But they have quite a list to go to get to Cletus and cars. There's a quick little view, and so wishing them the best. But this is an awesome little car. And here's the original. The OG right here. The hatch with the H still in it. I believe he just got a Graph. You just got a Graph dog box, right?
No, company by the name of Gearx is...
Gearx?
Yeah.
Okay. You met them at one of the events, right?
It's TransLab, but I think they're working along with Gearx to make it. Yeah, it's Brian from TransLab who's been helping me with it.
Okay,
so
awesome.
Actually, my set is done. I just have to get it. We just need to work out shipping it or figuring it out.
Gotcha.
I don't have it in my possession just yet.
Yeah, and this is the OG right here. Oh, right there. She is. I've seen in so many videos. This girl riding out. And we got Jamie's SRT, his neon. I believe he's putting nitrous in it, so I'm gonna let him work. Don't want to get into anybody's business. Just let them get going. Here's a look at Jamie's car. Like I said, I didn't want to bother them, man. They're busy working for Cletus and cars, but Jamie's done quite a bit of work to here. He got a different trans, a TH trans in there, so no more issues there. But say what's up, Jamie? How you doing?
How's it going, man?
And like I said, I think he's installing nitrous just to get the converter up.
Nitrous and a brake.
And a brake switch?
Or vacuum pump.
Oh, gotcha.
Vacuum pump for the brake.
There she is. Seen her in so many videos. She moves, man. She moves. All right, well, that was cool meeting all the BoostedBoiz at their Florida HQ over there. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown. I know it's been quite a while. Like I said, I've just been holding the fort down here at HalferLand Performance. Bertha will be coming back. She's been down for about 2 weeks now. I just simply have not had the time. Like I said, the throwout bearing, the clutch throwout bearing started having issues. Started making this crazy whine noise. And then I lost all clutch pedal, or yeah, I lost basically the whole clutch. So she is still doing good. So it was just a throwout bearing, but as you can see here, I got everything. I got the panels off, just trying to adjust the clutch because I thought maybe that was it. Maybe it just needed some adjusting. But once it started whining like a pig, I was like, pfft. It's because it was squealing like. I'm like, oh. I was like, but anyways, it was cool. It was cool to meet all those Boosted Boys over there. Like I said, in regards to HalferLand Performance, we're gonna keep grinding, guys. I'm gonna get Bertha up and running, hopefully here in the next couple weeks. Like I said, I'm gonna end up pulling the motor, just because the setup already has 20 to 25,000 miles on it. So I want to go around the whole motor and just see if anything's leaking or anything like that. If it is, then obviously it'll be way easier to do it. And then also I'll have much more access to the clutch and the transmission. It's just way easier because I can pull this motor in less than 4 hours instead of dropping the subframe, doing all that. I can pull the whole thing out and then have access to everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So this was a quick update, guys. I was trying to get to, if you remember the last video, I said I was trying to get to FL2K, and I was. And then this clutch issue started popping up, and I could not fucking figure out what it was. I bled the slave a few times. I adjusted the clutch pedal, and then once it started making that whining sound, I'm like, dude, there's no way I'm gonna make it to FL2K. So I was trying to get there. Unfortunately, the slave put me down, and I've been trying to get to it ever since. The company has just been extremely busy, which I want to thank you guys once again. Without your support, we would be nowhere. So want to thank you guys once again. Also want to give a shout out to Kyle and the Boosted Boys over there. Appreciate the shout out on their video, so keep tuned because his next video should have us on there, should have me on there over at their shop. And they're super cool. They were inviting, they're very nice, so I wish them the best of luck on their their 240. And they are trying to get ready for Cleetus cars, so hopefully they do, and I should be over there, so maybe I'll see you guys there. Definitely won't have time to get Bertha ready, but I'll probably go down there. So anyways, guys, we're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep pushing orders out. If you guys need any parts, check us out. HalferLand Performance on IG. You can also obviously find us on here. Our main website is HondaJSeriesEngine.com, and I'll put it right here, HondaJSeriesEngine.com. Once again, if you want to just show some support, donate some money, we have a Patreon, but if you subscribe for 4 consecutive months, you also get discounts on any parts or orders. So 4 consecutive months of donations on Patreon or subscriptions, you also get a discount. Or, like I said, if you just want to donate something to help out with the budget for the supercharger kit, because we did have to put it on the back burner, you can also do that. And am I forgetting anything? Oh, we will have a sale in December, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'm gonna try to be more steady with these videos. Definitely have some more content coming with pulling the motor and everything, so stay tuned.